Greeting and introduction quiz. Quiz is starting. I'm David. Hi, my name is Alice. What is your name? Hello, how are you today? How are you? Nice to meet you. I'm fine, thanks. How do you spell your name? Sophia. How do you do?
How do you do?
Hello, my name is Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Where are you from? I'm from England. This is my friend Alice.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
How are you, Dino? I am fine, and you?
Hi, my name is Paula. What is your name?
I'm Alice.
I'm from Brazil. Where are you from?
I'm from India.
This is my friend, David.
Hello, David. Nice to meet you.
Dad, this is my friend Alice.
Hello, Alice.
Pleased to meet you.
Goodbye, John.
See you later.
Good night, Mom. I'm going to bed.
Sleep well, my son.
I am very happy because I met you. See you in the next quiz.